Learn easy English, one scene at a time. Perfect for beginners and kids. On the train. The train is really crowded today. The train is really crowded today. It's usually like this in the morning. It's usually like this in the morning. Do you think we'll get a seat? Do you think we'll get a seat? Probably not today. Probably not today. It might clear up at the next stop. It might clear up at the next stop. Then let's wait. Then let's wait. Let's stand near the door. Let's stand near the door. This spot looks good. This spot looks good. How many stops are we riding? How many stops are we riding? Just 3 stops. Just 3 stops. That's pretty quick. That's pretty quick. We have to transfer today. We have to transfer today. Where do we change trains? Where do we change trains? We change at Shinjuku. We change at Shinjuku. Which line do we take? Which line do we take? The Chuo line. The Chuo line. We're going the right way. We're going the right way. It's on the same platform. It's on the same platform. How much time do we have? How much time do we have? We have about 10 minutes. We have about 10 minutes. That should be fine. That should be fine. Wait, is the train stopped? Wait, is the train stopped? You're right, it's not moving. You're right, it's not moving. I wonder what happened. I wonder what happened. There's an announcement about a delay. There's an announcement about a delay. How long is the delay? How long is the delay? About 5 minutes. About 5 minutes. Do you think we'll still make it? Do you think we'll still make it? We might need to hurry. We might need to hurry. Can't we take the next train? Can't we take the next train? I don't think we'll make it. I don't think we'll make it. Then let's hurry after we get off. Then let's hurry after we get off. Sounds good. Sounds good. Oh, it's moving again. Oh, it's moving again. That's a relief. That's a relief. It's still pretty crowded. It's still pretty crowded. Lots of people might get off. Lots of people might get off. That would be helpful. That would be helpful. It's getting a little less crowded. It's getting a little less crowded. Now we can move around. Now we can move around. How many minutes until our stop? How many minutes until our stop? Maybe about 2 minutes. Maybe about 2 minutes. Let's get ready to get off. Let's get ready to get off. Is your bag okay? Is your bag okay? Yeah, I've got it. Yeah, I've got it. We're almost there. We're almost there. Let's hurry. Let's hurry. Do we take these stairs? Do we take these stairs? Yes, then turn right. Yes, then turn right. Are we going to make it? Are we going to make it? Yeah, we still have time. Yeah, we still have time. Good, I was getting worried. Good, I was getting worried. It's been a rough morning. It's been a rough morning. Definitely. Definitely. Glad we made it. Glad we made it. Hopefully there are no more delays. Hopefully there are no more delays. Let's hope so. Let's hope so. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.